Assalamu alaikum. Today we are here in Toulouse to receive our Airbus A350 Alpha 6 XWG. This aircraft has been started in production line since last September 2024. And now we are happy to receive this aircraft fully serviceable and ready to take our guests to the world. The first process of delivery activity is the cabin and external inspection.
We will start from the exterior of the aircraft to check the fuselage, wing, tail, and the engine. Also, we have to do some functional check inside the cockpit to make sure the aircraft has no any defects and all the systems are functionally working.
New aircraft that we receive will take care of the functionality of the seat in economy, business. I will check the track, the galley, to make sure our guests will have a comfortable journey.
Now we will move to the second stage of the delivery, which is the customer acceptance flight, where we will do the test flight of this aircraft after production to make sure it's ready for our guests. During this flight, our pilots, they will do the system test for the aircraft system, engines, flight controls on the flight. As we are entering stage 3, the technical acceptance, where we will do all the technical acceptance and to confirm that the aircraft is free of fault and defects with Airbus team prior to transfer of title. Following this procedure, we will do the documentation review.
There is an established process between the GCAA, Etihad and the Airbus Office of Airworthiness. The process includes an aircraft physical inspection and an aircraft documentation review.
Now we are moving to the last stage, which is my favorite part, the transfer of title. We will transfer this aircraft, the A350 Alpha 6 XWG, from Airbus to the national airline of United Arab Emirates, Etihad.